Alright guys, so we are playing, ignore that, the other video was delayed because a KOSer who just killed Venatrox. The corpse is right there, and he goes after me. Like, that is absolutely so embarrassing. Like, why would you try to kill me after food is just lying there on the ground waiting to be eaten? But oh, I remember you. You look like that one person. You look like him. Wait. Aww. Again, just biting me. Thank you for the toe trimming. So I think we're just gonna have to stay at Oasis for a while. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the intro. So sit back, relax, get some snacks or drinks or both, and let's get right into the video. The video just started, and this guy was trying to sand breath me. Isn't that the most hilarious thing I've ever... You. Are you his cousin? When you meet him again, make sure that he says sorry. Yeah, I was a little crazy there, but yeah, I was really crazy. Anyways, after spending my long time communicating with that one Kendall, I decided to fly to Flower Cove. And I also complimented the view. Oh, kill him. Go, Thunder Wolves! Wait, is it? Hey, come out, buddy, I won't bite. It's okay, just come out. After trying to make the fun rate come out, I realized that it wasn't coming back up. Soon after, I noticed two large creatures coming down. Being smaller than them, I decided to give out a little bit of respect. Yeah. Not long after, I noticed the Oxytailus that looked like it came from the pits of heck. I got killed my Gartocus. Okay, that thing is horrifying. And as just I turned my back, right when I turned my back, after tearing on the deer, so much drama was happening. Oh! Look what is going on here! Oh, that poor guy. He's being absolutely jumped. I'd fight back too if I were you. Wait a second. Okay, good. He's actually eating the carcass. He is actually eating the carcass. After all of that happened, I returned to a place that brought back the good and bad memories. You'll see. So, okay. There would be moments like just like modern day birds, I found ourselves outside of the nest and there's already a little bit of drama. It's my little brother. Why are you so angry? Aww. Oh. Is this for us? Go, 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 go. Jinx! No! Thankfully, there were nice creatures at the mesa that covered up the memories that kept me pale. Yeah! Life at the mesa was actually good. I already had 3 friends that kept the happiness meter full. There was food nearby, we were sitting by the water. Life was absolutely amazing. Her before. So let's see what kind of gifts I can get for them. Like a birthday present or something. Maybe that could be a good birthday present. And snatch. No, snatch. Snatch. Nina was a little bit silly, but I did bring the present to my friend. It kept me happy and them happy. Here you go, guys. Yeah! I hope you appreciate it, guys. I couldn't stay in the mesa for long. I didn't want to make the video boring, so I went to the jungle to start a whole new life, sadly abandoning my friends. But then I met 2 creatures that changed my life forever. Oh, wow. Dance. Oh, wait! She's a mother! It looks scary for a babysitter, but I could really make use. Oh! It's a baby! It's gonna be a boy! It's gonna be a boy! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, welcome to the family! And then, after this very chick hatched, I realized that I have the 3 big R's in life. Protect the babies, take care of them, and deliver food to the family to keep them happy. And I also gave everyone nicknames because the users were too confusing. So these individuals are Brinny, Valerie, and Astrid. After I delivered some food, everyone was so excited. We even have a new baby which we will call Rusty. Audio was being glitchy. I'll just recap everything that happened. So first, my ankles were being destroyed by Rusty. And Rusty kept destroying my ankles. I put Rusty in the water for timeout. There was a new member, and that was, let's just call him Blue. And then I went to get some crystals only to get salt, but I did get one. And after bringing the cluster back to the nest, everything started going wrong. We even had a new member called Angel. I just called him that. And then I almost got eaten by an whatever that thing was, and also met up with my old friend. And then everyone just left the pack until it was again me, Brittany, and Valerie again. And then we all left the game. Well, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for making it to the end. I really appreciate that you watched this video whole. So, I hope you have a good day or night, and goodbye!